Good afternoon, and let's have a look at the midday movers in trade. So we have a lot of stocks which are buzzing on the back of their earnings, solid set of numbers which actually came in since last evening that we're seeing for a lot of companies. So let's talk about a few of them. Top ones are Hindustan Copper. The shares are locked in upper circuit. It was up 10%, that is. So that is after the company had reported a profit, versus a loss last year. So they have swinged into a profit, and that is surely showing positive sign and positive move coming in for Hindustan Copper, and surely the stock price is also up. Moving on to another stock, that is Apollo Tyres. It surged Apollo Tyres as much as 10% in trade today after a solid set of numbers in quarter 3. Let's look at some of the digits that did come in for Apollo Tyres. So when you look at the numbers, the profits have zoomed two-folds and have come in at 444 crores, and this is also obviously on the back of a robust sales also growth that they're seeing of 17%. So surely a very good set of numbers coming in from Apollo Tyres. Moving on to another stock, we have Prince Pipes. A very good set of numbers coming in from Prince Pipes. Overall, they have seen a good growth in revenue as well as profits. The profits have grown 2.75 times on a year-on-year basis and have come in at 66.7 crores, while the revenue growth is also at 53%. And Prince Pipe has posted the best volumes amongst its peers as well. So surely a positive sign. And that's why look at the rally that's come in the stock, the move that's come in the stock. It's 14% up, and that is obviously led by seen the best growth. This is the most it's grown since the IPO time. So surely positive move coming in over there. Moving on to Astral Poly. Stock is again up as much as 5% after a solid set of numbers in quarter 3. The revenues up 35%. The revenues are up 35%, while the profits are up by around 67.9%. Good growth, and that is mainly due to the better inventory management by the company. So surely good performance that we're seeing by all these companies. Now, other than that, we do have other companies which posted their numbers. One is obviously Godrej Properties. The stock, they reported the numbers this afternoon, and we're seeing that the stock is down as much as 3%. And the numbers are not a great set of numbers by the company. The revenue was down by around 56% and have only come in at 170.5 crores for the company. Moving on to the profits, at the bottom line of the company, that was down by 69%. And this time the company has reported a loss of operating loss of 54 crores versus an operating profit of 42 crores. So look at the impact that we are seeing for the company, and an operating loss is something that we're going to keep an eye out for going forward as well. Now, talking about Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, that reported its numbers last evening, and this time the company has reported a net loss of 278 crores. So that is surely causing some pressure on the stock, and we are seeing that the stock is down by 4% in trade. Another stock which has been under pressure is today's the Future Group stocks that has continued to be under pressure after the SEBI has put bars on Kishore Biyani from accessing the securities market in an insider trading case. So that is causing some pressure on the stock. And we do have Jubilant Foodworks, which posted its numbers yesterday, but the stock is surely rallying today as well. We're seeing the stock is up as much as 7% in trade. It's up most in 10 months, and they have managed to post a decent set of numbers this time. But the commentary which had come in the con call last evening was also quite encouraging, and overall the commentary has been quite encouraging for the future. So let's keep an eye out on Jubilant Foodworks as well. It's up most in 10 months today, and 7% up is the stock. What is the stock movement today? So let's see how they end today, and keep an eye out on what are the ending prices of all these stocks as well.